In this video, I'm going to tell you 7 reasons why you absolutely need to be blogging for affiliate marketing. Maybe you don't need to create the blog post yourself, but you need to have a blog. And it's not as hard as you might think. Hi, my name is Fran from Create and Earn, and we're going to jump right into the 7 reasons why you should be blogging for affiliate marketing. So, number 1, it's free to write a blog post. Unless you actually hire somebody to do it for yourself, and if that's your choice, then you have more free time. But writing a blog post is not that hard, and I'm going to be creating a video as well, and when I do, I'm going to post it here, that shows exactly how to create a blog post for affiliate marketing. But actually, writing a blog post is free, and you don't have to be paying for traffic, because that's what the blog post does. It brings you free traffic as well. More on that later. Reason number 2 is you won't need to be spamming your affiliate links, because you will be posting your affiliate links in your blog posts. That means people will find your blog posts, they will come, read the blog post, and click on your affiliate links. No spamming, no spending money on advertising. Absolutely free. So this brings us to reason number 3. Each blog post you write and publish is an asset that will be working for you, and it will be creating a passive income for you. So let's say you write a blog post about the 10 best baby carriers to put a baby to sleep, or to carry your baby without harming your back and your baby's back or hips in this case. For each baby carrier, you're going to post an affiliate link. Each blog post, if you do it right, will rank on Google, for example, and will be found. So it will be bringing in traffic, and the people will read the blog post, and some of them will be clicking your affiliate links and buying those products. So you created that blog post once, and it's working for you in the future without you doing anything else. So it will be paying you commissions over and over. But that's not the only thing that asset is doing for you. So that's reason number 3, is your blog posts are also building your email list. So if you actually provide a lead magnet or something helpful that you give away for free in between your blog posts, the people will be, your audience that reads the blog post will find that interesting, as well as the products that you are linking to, and they will subscribe to your email list. There is a way to put these two together. So this would be creating a bridge page that will bring people into your email list, and then towards the product. And I have a video already teaching that, so you might be able to find that with a card that I will leave over here. These are the two most important, these are your 2 assets, the 2 main assets for any affiliate marketing business. So you have your content, your little assets that will be working for you, and your email list, which you'll be able to just send an email to all those people who subscribe to your email list to actually promote a product if you want, or to promote some of your content in the future. Reason number 5 is you can reach an infinite number of people. Once your blog posts rank on Google, they will be seen by an infinite amount of people from all over the world. You don't need to be paying for advertising and targeting specific audience, and for each person you want to reach extra, you need to pay more, right? If you start blogging for your affiliate marketing business, each blog post will be reaching a certain amount of people, so this will be building over each other. So there's a compound effect. And like I say, you will reach an infinite amount of people. Well, you will reach an increasing number of people. Your content, so your blog posts or any other content you create, will give you credibility. So let's say if you pay for advertising with to show a product, an affiliate product of yours, to somebody, that person doesn't know you, and they probably don't even know the product or the company that sells the product. So why should they trust the product, right? Once you create content and you are actually building helpful content in, let's say, blog posts, like the example I gave you about the baby carriers, and I'm using the example baby carriers because that was my first blog was about parenting, and I used to write about that. something I do like, and I have some knowledge around. So once you transmit your knowledge to somebody, and you will do research, so you will even learn more about the subject, even if it's something you already know a lot about, and you're transmitting that knowledge to somebody, that gives you credibility. And once you actually recommend something to that person, so let's say you leave a link on your blog post, or you actually send them an email after they subscribe to your email list, that person already know that you know what you're talking about in this subject. So they're very likely to actually follow your affiliate link, or actually to follow your recommendation and buy the product. So it gives you credibility. Reason number 7 is your website with all your blog posts inside transmits trust. So once, it doesn't matter where you are, you can always refer somebody to your website, and it transmits trust to the person. It gives you authority in Google, so it builds up to step number 6. So credibility and trust within the industry. Somebody then, if you want to talk, if you are invited to talk about something, you can say, I have this website, and you are actually an authority in that subject because you have a website, you've created a lot of content. This gives you that. It builds up that trust for you in the industry. So this was reason number 7, but I have an 8th reason, so a little bonus, which is a bonus step, a bonus reason, and also a recommendation. So if you have a YouTube channel, your website will boost your videos, and your videos will boost your blog posts. So this is also, like I said, it's a recommendation. So I recommend you to start also a YouTube channel. And actually, there is a way to not have to work a lot extra. So as I am recording this video, I've already taken some notes, so I'm following a little bit the steps of what I wanted to talk about. Once I finish the video, I will grab this, and I could write a whole blog post if I actually find that there is a keyword to target both in Google and in YouTube for this subject. I've done that in the past, so with my video of how to start affiliate marketing with no money, I actually created a video, and with the notes I wrote a blog post. Some people will do the other way around, because to record the videos they prefer to have the script. So with that script you can actually create a blog post. You would embed the video, and this is very easy to rank with. Once you have a video, it helps to rank on Google, and the people who, and having the blog post also helps to give you more views on YouTube. So they have a perfect synergy. YouTube belongs to Google, right? Those are my 7 or 8 reasons for why you should be blogging for affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more of this. Like I told you, I'm going to be publishing an actual guide to blogging for affiliate marketing, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. To learn how to build your passive income, and to receive the notification about that video and others. For now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.